Next stop, Sullivan and Catherine.
Okay.
Next stop, Sullivan and Larcombe. Stop requested.
Thank you. I got some good video footage today, people. I am on my strip home and all the perps are out here. GSF 8607. GSF 8607. My perpetrators are out here and we got good videos today. I got all the good black brothers out here stalking. DIM 4414. GMC, black male, black female, targeting and stalking me soon as I get off the bus to go in my house, people. They are calling themselves the Black Ku Klux Klan, signed up to murder the black women for the white people for profit. Woo, Lord have mercy. I'm glad I know. Come on. I want to see if this is this Hummer that stalks me down. Let's see if I can get this Hummer, people. And it just goes on for miles and miles and miles. We want the Hummer EZL 6720. That's one of my Hummers. I got 6 Hummers, people. I got 6 Hummers. I don't give you everybody's tag because